Hi, I'm Srikanth, General Manager Operations at Prasad's IMAX. I'm sure you all know what Prasad's IMAX is today on the globe. As far as Hyderabad and Secunderabad is concerned, I think it's a one-stop destination for entertainment, cinema, food, entertainment, shopping. I think you'll find everything in this place. Prasad's IMAX, as you know, was opened in 2003, one of the first multiplexes in the state of Andhra Pradesh. So that makes it very unique. There are about 5 screens here, multiplex screens, and the gigantic IMAX is here. We boast of, in fact, Prasad's IMAX is one of the largest, 2D screen and the largest screen as far as 3D is concerned. So it says IMAX 3D in Hyderabad is one of the largest screen in the world that IMAX possess. So I'm sure every outing that anybody would want to make, they want to make Prasad's as a one-time destination for food, for cinema, for entertainment, for the kids play. I think it's a wholesome entertainment that we talk about at Prasad's IMAX, and this place has seen more than 8 crore people coming into this place and enjoying themselves. So that shows that this is the destination for people in Hyderabad and Secunderabad. For that matter, IMAX is, as I said, we've played movies like Harry Potter's, Spider-Man's, and the recent Avatar, where we created a world record by having about 3.5 lakh people watching this movie only in Prasad's IMAX alone. So that makes it very unique in this world, and that makes it more interesting in terms of the way the people look at IMAX. So 3.5 lakh people watching in one single theater, one movie is just huge. So that shows that the interest on IMAX is huge in this part of the world. So that the interest that is created, the kind of films that we get here in Prasad's IMAX is just the story doesn't end there, or this list doesn't end there. So in the same contrary, I think we've brought in Tron Legacy now, and I'm sure Tron Legacy is on IMAX 3D. We've just showcased a 23-minute trailer. This movie is getting released on the 17th of December this month, this Friday, and there was a 23-minute trailer which was just played, which was just showcased, and the feel of the people is just awesome. I think people are saying they're just waiting for the film to release. So in that context, I think it's a must-watch. Tron Legacy is a must-watch on Prasad's IMAX.